Hey everybody, Mr. Edwards. Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys so you can start working on your ecology field books at home. So I went out and got some samples of some soil from the field, which we did yesterday, and then we got some soil from Veterans Park for our forest study. So I'm going to show you, this is your soil, right, from the field, okay? And I'm going to flip the camera over here so you guys can see that a little bit better. Okay, so you should hopefully be able to see the soil in there. Okay, and what you'll notice is there's some living things in here. All right, you'll notice there's a lot more life. It's a little bit, it's pretty dry. And then over here we should see a little worm right here on the tip of the pencil. It's kind of moving there. It's a little bit more moist than not because it rained last night. And then you'll see there's a lot of life in here. It's pretty fine, sandy, and maybe you see a lot of tree roots or grass roots in here as well. Okay, so that is your soil from the field. Okay, so in your ecology field book on soil study field, you're going to fill out all the information after looking at that. Okay? So that was your soil from the field. All right, this one here is your soil from the forest over at Veterans. So if we take a look here into the soil, we can first notice that it's a little bit darker than the soil that we had over in the field. All right, it's a lot darker. There's less tree roots and whatnot in it. It's more of like almost like a mulch. Okay, there's some clumps probably because it was wet. Right here we see there's an acorn decomposing. All right, so we see there's not as much life in this. It's more soil that we would probably find or use for our potting soil at home. All right, very, very fine, not as clumpy, and it's much darker than the other soil. So that is your soil from the forest at Veterans Park. Okay, so you now have two pieces to your ecology field book, and you're going to go ahead and answer and type those questions in your field book for the soil study.